Dave from Dave Matt Vans. Got a new product we're going to show off here today. This is our Collapsible Shower System. It's been a long time coming. We get a lot of requests for showers. We didn't want to do the permanent shower system. The space in the van is tight. At the end of the day, it's a vehicle, it's a van. So this collapsible system, we think, is sort of the optimal way to, have function, but not take up 1/5 of the entire space with something you're going to use at most 20 to 30 minutes a day. So it's pretty basic. As you can tell, we actually have 2 shower curtains here, which creates an entrance to the shower from this side. And then a way to get access to our shower handle, which actually just comes from the faucet and will go up here to use for showering. The other perk of this, as I mentioned, it is collapsible, so it will come down incredibly easily. We just have these hooks up on the ceiling. These are just standard shower curtain hooks. You would unhook this. You would fold it up, but for time's sake, I'm going to just wrap it as such. The other perfect part about this is with the Ram ProMaster storage area up here, it's perfect for that as well as our shower basin. So this is made of a pretty heavy-duty waterproof material. Obviously, we've installed a drain, and then there is a drain that goes out to the ground beneath here. This also folds up very easily and can be stored up top. And now we're back to the regular function of the van. This is a nifty little device that is just a submersible water heater. All you do with your inverter, you would plug this in, you drop it into the tank. It heats about 7 gallons. It should take about 30 to 35 minutes, obviously depending what your starting temperature is. But they work really well. They're relatively affordable, but it'll get you hot water in the van pretty quickly. And then we have a digital thermometer as well to make sure that it's not too hot for you. I think, again, the main thing for us, we didn't want to take so much space up with the van with a permanent shower system, so we really took some time to develop this system and think it's the best of all the worlds. Again, it's affordable, it's efficient, it's functional, and when you don't need it, it's basically like there is nothing there. So I'm going to cap this off real quick. All right, and that's it.